Because I've been working very closely with the topic of biodiversity in the last 6 months and overall in the parameters of environment since the 1 year. So I know I was fortunate that the COP11 was held in India and very closely to Hyderabad. So I did not want to miss this opportunity to come here and actually witness something like this, which I would not get to witness otherwise. And yeah, I mean, what I would really like is that this 10-day event that is being organized really brings out something more substantial, something concrete. So yeah, it's looking forward to that.
Um, you're a part of the company that works in the area of sustainability and climate change. Um, so, which is a new practice in the corporate arena. Uh, Tell us about the mission of your company, and what kind of activities does it take up?
Yeah, so we are a climate change and sustainability consultancy firm, and well, our company was founded on the philosophy of creating value, creating profits through the green economy. So we want to make environment or sustainability profitable for the companies because that's the only way that companies or even people are going to really wake up and start being more sustainable or try to bring a kind of behavior shift essay because just and you just give them messages and all, it doesn't work. So that's where, yeah.
So, on that note, tell us about some specific services or products that your company has developed, catering to the corporate sector.
Yeah, so we are basically, a technologic IT services, consultancy services based on IT products that we develop. So I can give you many examples. So one of them is like we have developed a emission factor database, which is specific to India. And we use that when we do say footprint mapping, etc., for companies. Now, so that's for the corporates. Then now, while working with the corporates, we also realize that maybe we can extend that education, or we can do something even for the schools, reach out to a younger audience. So then we developed something called as the EcoSlate portal. So that was our second, say, educational product that we made. So EcoSlate is a portal where we create educational material, which can be in the form of videos and this thing for children, and we actually take that to schools and by designing our own curriculum and teach it to schools right from grade 1 to 12. And it's not just lessons, but we actually engage children in practical fieldwork experience. Like, for example, our 9th and 10th grade children, they do energy auditing for their schools, for their homes. We give them the power meters to, and we actually work with them to use the power meter and get out results. And for the younger children, we actually bring them closer to nature, like help them set up a butterfly garden, or a pond ecosystem in the school. So and the children have to be actively involved right from clearing the pond, or so, yeah. Then we have a kind of a eco labeling service, because like, people don't know what is a green product. I mean, how do I know this product has been sustainably made? So there we actually worked out with another company called the Green Signal. So we consult them. Then also we are in touch with different NGOs and all, keep helping them to by giving these kind of tools for measurement, for you know calculation, minimization. And one of the most important out of that is something called as NO2 CO2, where we have India specific calculator, a home calculator, which individuals, not just corporates, but any person like you and I, can know our home footprint, our home, I mean, we can control our footprint impact to our homes or to our spaces. And in that, there's also we've created something very new called as the minimize calculator, which actually gives you different options for minimizing your energy footprint, and also it will give you the results in terms of the money that you would save by switching over to a sustainable option, and also the footprint that you'll save on switching over to another sustainable option. For example, from a normal bulb to a CFL bulb. The money and the footprint you'll save.